Welcome to my channel. And today we'll talk about SQL Server wildcard characters, which we basically use with like operator in SQL. So, what is this like operator and how it works with these wildcard characters? So, let me tell you the core concept of this. As you must have heard about regular expression or regex. So what is that? Like we have to set a kind of expression which we can apply on that similar kind of patterns. So similarly, we have this like operator wherein we don't have a fixed things that you have to search. It's a kind of uh, regex or regular expression that you want to apply on certain requirement. Like suppose you want to search a name in the database which maybe starts with some character or maybe ends with some character, or maybe in the middle we have some characters like that. So we have different kind of these wildcard characters which we apply with the like operator. So let us start with the first of all, let us see a table wherein this is employee table which has some employee details, and basically we'll do our search on employee name. So if you see, there are 10 records in this table, and we'll try to understand this all these different wildcard characters on this name value. Okay, so let us start with this first one, that is this percent sign, that how we apply this. Okay, so, actually, what is the main purpose, or like how this percent symbol works? Okay, so it like represents zero or more characters. It means what? If you apply this percent sign at start or at end, or maybe on both side, so it will work on that basis. Let me show you how. So if I'm saying select star from employee, where employee name like AN. AN is what? It should be somewhere in the middle. Okay. The name would be starting with maybe something. It may be end with something. But we only have to take that pattern wherein the AN character is there somewhere in that name. Okay. So the first will take only those employee names where somewhere an is there, whether it should be at last, in the middle, but it should be there somewhere, and both together. So if you see, an is there, an is there, an is there. Okay, and if you go with the second one, which says with start it can be anything, but uh, sorry, it should be start with a, and after this, like, it can be anything. Okay, so if you see the second one, it will only take the names which started with a. So to just double check, if you go here, only one name is there which actually starts with a, that is Abhay. Okay, now the last one, I mean, in this one, in this percent symbol, it like we have percent sign at start. So it means the like starting of this name like would be anything, but it should be end with a. Okay, so now if you see in this one, which all names are ending with a, I only see maybe one, that is Monica. So let us see. So only Monica is coming. So I hope you understand this first one. Now let us move to next one, that is underscore. If you see the symbol is underscore, what is the description? It represents a single character only. So like in this percent sign, it was not representing single character. It could be one or many characters also, but it works with the single character only. So if you see in the example, if you put something like this, like starting character and that missing character, okay, like that could be anything where we are putting underscore. So if you are putting like this, it will find hot, hat, and hit. It means what? In the middle it could be anything, and this represents like only single character. Okay, so if I'll just try with this one, so it is going to take only single one because it is taking this one because I just put a b h and underscore and y. So the a is there on this missing or underscore character, so it will only take those kind of patterns. Okay, now let us move to next one, that is bracket one. Okay, so this also represents a single character within the bracket. Okay, so if you have like this h bracket open close, and in between you have o a, okay, and at the end it's t, so it will find like either hot or hat, okay, something like that. If you are trying to find in hit something like that, it will not, because it will only take either of this character with the start and end characters. Okay, so I have something like that here in the example, wherein I put roh at the start, and within the bracket I have a and o. So if you see here in the example, I have rohan and rohon. There are two names, so let us see what will come with this. It is taking two names because I put a and o here, so it is taking rohan and rohon both. Okay, so I hope you understand this one also. And now this if you see this character, this also represents the single character. Okay, okay, and it should be whatever characters we are putting here, it should not be in the uh, like text. So if I'm just putting here rohan, if you see here, so it is not taking this character. So if rohan is there in my database, it is not taking that, it is excluding that character. Okay, so except that character it will take that one. So if you have some pattern to find something like this, we can use this symbol also. Okay, likewise we have this minus sign symbol. This represents a single character within the like specified range. And if you see the example, like if you are putting c, and within the bracket we are saying a minus b and then t, so it will find cat or cbt. Okay, so this, like these are the ranges it will take, either this or that. So likewise if I use this roh, and then within the bracket I put a and o, so what it will do, it will give me rohan and also with the name on. So it is taking either of this, I mean either this or this. So whatever matching it is giving me like that. So I hope you got my point. Okay, so these are the all different kind of wildcard characters that we use with the like operator in SQL Server, and we apply if something we have to search on basis of certain uh, regular expression or certain pattern. So in that scenario we use this kind of operators. Thank you so much.